Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Doc and Bean, and today we are talking about what to bring and what not to bring if you're planning to move to Thailand. This is going to save you money, stress, and a lot of rookie mistakes we made. But after living in Bangkok, we learned real quick that what you think you need and what you really need is actually different.
Yeah, two different things.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with clothes. You gotta wear clothes. Clothes are a big issue. So what shouldn't they bring when it comes to clothes?
Listen, you shouldn't pack.
You should know.
You shouldn't pack 3 suitcases to come here, right? I remember you limiting me 2 suitcases.
Yes.
And now that we're here, okay, you were right.
I know.
You were right. You shouldn't overpack. We overpacked. It's too hot here.
She overpacked.
I did. I should have listened. I should have listened to him. I had 3 suitcases. It was just unnecessary. You know, one thing that is going to change is your style. It's too hot. You're going to want comfortable clothes, comfortable shoes. So you don't need all the clothes you have back home, right? And here has so many shopping malls. Shopping is a thing here. So definitely all the things you need, cut it in half, what you think you need, because you are not going to need it. Not here.
Yeah, and if you need something, you can definitely get it here.
You'll find it here.
Yeah, you'll find it here.
Yeah.
So what should they bring regarding clothes?
So if you have bigger feet, right? Or even if you have wide feet, but for especially guys, if you have a bigger feet, you should definitely bring your shoes.
You should bring your sneakers. It'll be hard to find your size. If you're a size 12 and up, it'll be hard. I would say 11 and up, but definitely a size 12 and up, it'll be harder to find shoes in your size that you like.
Right.
So you should probably order sneakers or bring sneakers.
Right. And if you're a bigger woman, right, you need to come with your clothes. If you are hippier, if you got some booty, if you have bigger boobs, you know, bring your stuff. Like I made sure I brought all my shorts because I don't know if I would find that here, and I'm glad I did, right? Especially if you you have bigger boobs, your bras. Bring your bras if you're bigger chested. That is going to be a necessity because I haven't seen many here. And there is though a big girl mall. I don't know if you guys seen it, but there is a mall. It's called Krontan Plaza that you can go and they have all the stores.
So big girl meaning what size? Because this is Asia. So what's big girl for Asia?
Big girl for Asia, I would say, is size 10 and over. Yeah. So definitely bring your stuff. And we did notice, though, in the more touristy areas, you can find bigger sizes.
The clothes are going to be bigger because it's more geared to tourists and expats, but mainly tourists.
Yeah.
All right, so personal items. Next one, personal items. What shouldn't they bring?
So I think for personal items, you don't need like lotions and all these things. Coconut oil. If you we use coconut oil, shea butter, bug sprays, shampoo, conditioner.
And we didn't bring shea butter. Like we knew we could get coconut oil here regularly, but we didn't bring shea butter because that's what we use.
Yeah.
But you can get shea butter here too.
Yes.
You can get shea butter here too.
Right. Even like your feminine hygiene products, all that stuff. They have everything here. So, and sometimes you can find it cheaper and better quality here. So, don't overthink.
Okay. So what should they bring?
If you like specific brands. Now, if you like specific brands, black girls are here. You want specific curling custard, Cantu, all these things. So if you are brand specific, you like your hair to look a certain way, so definitely bring that, right?
For hair products.
For hair products. Deodorant. Now, there is U.S. brands and then there's the brands here.
You think we're stronger Then the Asian people here, the deodorant don't seem to be as strong.
You know what, but that's internal too. So it could be our food, sugar, our diet plays a big part than their diet, but their deodorants just don't hold up like I thought. Now, it just don't. So bring a few with you until you can test out. Now, I found one that I like, but definitely, bring yours until you can try, because that's something with this heat here in Bangkok, that's not something you want to play around
You don't
with.
want to chance that.
No, you don't want to chance that at all. And another thing, makeup. Girls, bring your makeup, bring your shade, especially if you're a darker tone, because your exact match is going to be hard to find. If you like lip gloss, I just like a clear lip gloss. It was hard to find. A lot of them have pink tint into them because, they want a little color to their lips. And if you're buying lotion and if you're going to the store, just know a lot of them have whitening agents. The deodorants have whitening agents. So be mindful of that if you don't want to, mess up your melanin, right? But there is a Sephora here. So I found Fenty and certain brands, but it's not easy to find. So, bring it with you. But we will say Lazada, it's the Amazon of Asia, and you can find a lot of products on it, but it will be more expensive, I found, like with your deodorants and stuff like that. Also,
You mean the deodorants back home?
Yes, if you want your brand.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little more expensive. Also, iHerb. I found a lot of my hair products on iHerb.com. So you can also do that. But check to see if it's even on there before, because, it could be a little difficult to find.
All right. So let's talk about household items.
Yeah.
So what shouldn't they bring?
Yeah, don't waste your luxury space on sheets, towels, kitchen items. It's just not worth it to bring, right? And you can find it so reasonable here. Again, like places like Lazada, they have stores. Home Pro is a popular store here. They're everywhere, and you can get everything you need really on it.
DIY store they have here, which is we call them everything stores, where you can get everything you need for your house.
Yeah. And the supermarkets have a lot of these too. They're they say a supermarket, but they're actually department stores. So they have a lot of these things that you're going to need. So don't bring it with you.
So what should they bring?
You should bring your comfort items, right? Like a fire stick.
Fire stick or Roku that you already been using back home. It's programmed to you already.
Yeah.
That helps a lot.
Right. And you also need a VPN so it works, just so you know, right? Bring your electronics. Like, if you use specific things, especially if it's expensive, like your clippers, you pay a lot of money for it. Girls, if you have a Dyson hair dryer or you have a real expensive flat iron, you bring those because it was expensive.
In certain things like that, you have to have a voltage converter.
Yes.
Or they're going to blow up.
Right.
But if it's your clippers, I like to use my personal clippers that I've been using forever. I know how they cut. I know how they work. I don't want to buy new clippers, even though I had to when I got here. And so that's what you want.
Yeah. And that answers all the people that always ask about your haircut. They always ask. He cuts his own hair. So, and seasonings, right?
This is big.
Yeah.
This is big. Because I wanted some curry chicken.
And it was hard.
It was hard to find everything you needed.
Yes. And you can make it yourself, but sometimes you just want the jar, But and there are supermarkets here, certainly like Villa Market, Gourmet Market, where you can find some brands. But it is going to be difficult if you like specific things. So if you cook a lot and you like the taste of a certain brand, I would say bring that with you. Yeah. But real quick, if you're thinking about traveling or moving abroad, we've built everything on our website. We have step-by-step guides, especially if you're moving to Thailand. We have relocation help. We have one-on-one consultations, scouting trip plans, AI tools to help you plan affordable trips. And everything is at DakhanPay.com.
All right, so the next one is vitamins and medicines.
Yeah.
What shouldn't they bring?
So I was surprised at this, that you can get almost everything here. And the things you think you needed a prescription for, you don't necessarily need here in Thailand. So you don't need to bring your basic pharmacy items, pain pills, all these things like aspirin. That's plentiful here. Antibiotics, you don't need a prescription for. Blood pressure meds, diabetic meds, you don't need a prescription for, which was a little shocking to us Americans when you have to go to the doctor for everything there. Here, you can just actually walk into a pharmacy and they will give it to you. And there's a ton of 24-hour pharmacies everywhere too. Same with vitamins and herbs,
And 7-Eleven carries a lot of medicine and vitamins too.
Yeah, and herbs, So that's something you don't need to overpack with at all. Even here, if you're more natural, you can go down to Chinatown. They have a bunch of herbs that you don't have to worry about. iherb.com, we mentioned earlier, for your vitamins and stuff like that, that's available to you. So,
all right, what should we bring?
You should bring your serious prescription meds, I should say, if it's very strong, right? Or you have specific meds for specific ailments, and I would bring extra of that for your transition period here, right? But here, once you get here, you can go to the doctor and get a Thai prescriptions. They have hospitals, Barmangrad and Bangkok hospitals. You set up an appointment, you get yourself situated, and they can write you prescriptions for those. So, yeah. But that was it. That was just some tidbits we thought, like, okay, we wish we knew. And now we're like, okay, no, I think, it's important for people to know what to bring and not what to bring. Because that's something simple, but you overthink it.
Yeah. People tend to bring more than they need.
Yeah, definitely.
Like you.
I sure did. I wish I had me telling me not to do this. But yeah, if you guys are serious about moving to Thailand, moving abroad, check out dakandbean.com. We have move abroad guides, again, scouting trip guides. We offer one-on-one consultations to help guide you along your journey. Head over to dakandbean.com. See you guys.